morning, students. How are you? God bless you. Today is a wonderful day, and we had to do a lot of different things, okay? So let's start our class for today. Okay, we're going to start the grammar section. If, conditional, will, auxiliary for future, okay? So if and will. If parents, let's read here. Where am I? I am on page 164. 164. So if parents have a positive influence, we will be more likely to grow up to be healthy adults. If they teach us healthy habits at an early age, it will prevent future illness. If we do these things daily, we will have good habits for life. We use if here, if in conditional sentences plus will for a probably result, okay? So it's a probably result. Let's read here this sentence, okay? If I don't do my homework, what will happen? What is the probably result? If I don't do my homework, I will get a bad grade, okay? So that's the results, okay? If I don't do my homework, I will get a bad grade. If I don't study for the test, I will get a bad grade, okay? So it's the result, okay? If I study a lot, I will get a good grade. It's another way, okay? What will happen if you watch too much TV? What will happen? What will happen? Probably you will gain more pounds. Sitting for a long time is not good for your body, okay? So what will happen if you don't go to school? Probably you don't get a degree and it will be hard for you, okay? What will happen if you don't exercise? Again, you don't exercise, you will be unhealthy, you can get sick, you can earn a lot of pounds, extra pounds on your body. So what will happen if you don't do something, okay? Now, talking about if and will, okay? Complete the sentences. We're using if, the conditional here, if, and here the auxiliary will as a result, okay? As a probably result. If you study for your exam, you will get a bad grade or you will get a good grade, okay? If you study for the exam, you will get a good grade, okay? Good. What about here? If you don't wash your hands, what? Remember, these are possible answers, okay? They may vary. You can write another sentence here and complete the exercise, okay? I'm going to give you just examples, okay? You can use another words, another verbs here. If you don't wash your hands, you will get sick, right? That's a probably answer, okay? That will probably happen. If you eat too much candy, what will happen to your teeth? You will get a what? A stomachache? A toothache? If you don't do your chores, remember the chores. What are the chores? Sweep the floor, do your bed, make your bed, sweep the floor, mop the floor, wash the dishes. Those are chores, okay? And you do them at home. If you don't do your chores, you will what? Let me show you the possible results, the probable results, okay? Those are possible answers, okay? If you study for your exam, you will get a good grade. Good. If you don't wash your hands, you will get sick, right? If you eat too much candy, you will get a stomachache, okay? If you don't do your chores, you will not play with your friends, okay? You will not play video games, or you will not ride your bike. You have a t-shirt, okay? This is a t-shirt. What I want you to do is to complete the t-shirt using sentences. Write sentences that you think might happen, okay? If you do this, you will okay, so complete this. If I go to school, I will get a degree, okay? If I do my homework, I will get good grades, okay? So please write 2 sentences here by your own, okay? This is homework, part of your homework. Write 2 sentences. You can use as an example the ones in your book on page 164, okay? Go ahead. Okay, reading and writing section. Here on your book on page 165. Okay, page 165. Here, there are some pictures. Yes, food, okay? Circle the food pictured below that you eat most often. What is most often? Remember, when we talk about times, how many times, I always means every day, the 7 days of the week. I sometimes, probably 5 days of the week, and most often is that you eat almost every day, okay? Most often, what you eat at your home, okay? So circle the food pictured below that you eat most often. If you eat this food, you will be strong and healthy. Those are healthy food, okay? So let's talk about this. Oh, peanut? Do you eat peanuts? What about sandwiches? Broccoli? Eggs? Bananas? Cheese? Bread? Milk? Roasted chicken. Oh, carrots, strawberry, potatoes, watermelon, orange juice. So please go ahead and circle the food picture below that you eat most often. Circle. If you eat a lot of milk every day, so circle. Okay. If you eat bread every day, circle. What about if you eat once or twice a week? Bananas? Circle. What about cheese? Twice a week? Once a week? Go ahead and circle. You had to complete this by your own. Reading and writing. Okay, let's continue with reading and writing section, page 165. Page 165. There's a Venn diagram, okay, that says I often eat. I often eat. Okay? Here, I often eat, and my friend often eats. So you had to ask a friend what your friend often eats, okay? And write it here or draw it here. You can draw or you can write. And what about both? You and your friend eat more often here. So you Okay, listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. Listen to the conversation. I'm going to play the track 45. Okay, listen to the conversation. And then we can fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the missing word. We can fill in the blank with the missing word. Okay? Also, you can find this conversation on page 281. Okay? The conversation is also there. So let's listen to the track.
Listen to the conversation.
Hello, Greg. How was your day at school?
Not very good, Dad. A classmate asked me if I was a couch potato.
Do you know what a couch potato is, Greg?
Yes, I do. It's someone who watches TV all day long and doesn't exercise. I usually do that, so I'm a couch potato.
If you think you are, what are you going to do about it?
Miss Jones, my PE teacher, told me I have to change my daily habits. I will follow a guide she gave me.
Will you follow that guide, Greg? What is it about?
There are tips for staying healthy, and it has a food pyramid that shows how to eat right.
I think that's great. I will put the guide on the refrigerator so we can all follow it.
Good idea, Dad.
Greg, I know that Dad and I work, and we usually eat out. I cook a meal only once or twice a week, but I promise you things will change.
I'm tired of living like this. We will not continue with bad habits that are affecting our health. I used to exercise years ago. I played a lot of sports, and I swam twice a week.
We will start by having a healthy meal right now. But let's wash our hands first.
Good start, Greg.
We will go to the store once a week and buy enough food for the whole week.
I will cook at night so there is always healthy food when I'm not home.
Dad, if you start swimming again, could I go with you?
Sure, Greg. We will encourage each other.
I'm very proud of you, Greg. The three of us will work on this together.
Okay, let's review this again. Okay, here, number 1. A classmate asked me if I was a couch potato. Couch potato, right? It's someone who watches TV all day long and doesn't exercise. If you sit on your couch and you watch a lot of TV, you may be called couch potato. Okay? So number 3, my PE teacher told me I had to change my daily habits. I will follow a guide she gave me. Okay, number 4, there are tips for staying
Let's wash our hands first.
healthy, right? Healthy. And it has a food pyramid that shows how it
I
right.
played a lot of sports.
Number 5, I will put the guide
Sports.
on the, remember,
Meal.
yes, refrigerator, so
meal
we
only
can
once or
all
twice a week.
follow it. Number
Meal.
6, Greg, I know that Dad and I work and we
Habits.
usually eat out.
My PE
I
teacher
cook
told me
a-
I have to change my daily habits.
A meal only
Habits.
once or twice a week. But I promise you things will change.
Tired.
Number 7,
I'm tired
we will
of living
continue
like
with
this.
bad habits.
Tired.
We will not continue with bad habits
Exercise.
that are affecting our health.
I used
Number
to
8,
exercise
I
years ago.
used to exercise years
Exercise.
ago. I played a lot of
Usually.
Sports.
We usually eat
Sports. 9. We will go to the store once a week and buy enough food for the whole week. I will cook at night, so there is always healthy food when I am not home. Right, home. Dad, if you start swimming again, could I go with you? 12. I'm very proud of you, Greg. The three of us will work on this together. So please, guys, please, students, check your job. And the rest. Okay, complete this on page 166, please. Page 166. Okay, pronunciation lab. Let's repeat the words and the sentences. I'm going to play the track and you are going to repeat.
Listen and repeat. Point at the words as you hear them. Wash. Let's wash our hands first. Wash. Sports. I played a lot of sports. Sports. Meal. I cook a meal only once or twice a week. Meal. Habits. My PE teacher told me I have to change my daily habits. Habits. Tired. I'm tired of living like this. Tired. Exercise. I used to exercise years ago. Exercise. Usually. We usually eat out. Usually.
Okay, let's go to the pronunciation lab. Let's repeat. Here we have the book. Wash, right? Wash. I wash my hands. Okay, let's wash our hands first. Wash your hands. Sports. Talking about sports. Here, sports. Basketball, football, soccer, tennis. Okay, those are sports. Meal. Let me show you here. Healthy meal. Meals. Those are meals, right? Those are not very healthy. This is healthy food, okay? Meals. Those are meals but not very healthy. So unhealthy meals. Like this. Meals but not healthy. Let me show you this. This is more healthy. Okay? Meal. Okay, meal. Habits. My PE teacher told me I had to change my daily habits. Tired. I'm tired living like this. Exercise, and we usually eat out. Now, what I want you to do as a homework, page 167, complete this vocabulary word map as a homework. Okay, sentence. You had to choose one word from here. One word, choose one, and then write a sentence. Write a definition about that word, synonym, antonym, and a drawing, please. Okay, you can complete this here in the activities guide, or you can do it in your notebook, please. Okay, this is all for today. God bless you. I hope to see you for our class. Remember, we're going to have a class, and remember, I'm going to post a quiz in Classroom platform. So just to let you know, there is going to be a quiz, a short quiz for this week, okay? For this week. So please check the Classroom. On Wednesday probably I'm going to post the quiz. So thank you, God bless you, and see you soon. Bye bye.